Imagine waking up one day and realizing that your money has been working harder than you do. Sounds impossible? It's not. The truth is, investing isn't reserved for Wall Street experts or billionaires. It's for anyone, including you, even if you have zero experience. Investing is often seen as complicated, full of charts, numbers, and confusing jargon. But let's break it down. At its core, investing simply means putting your money to work so it grows over time. Think of it like planting a seed. Saving keeps the seed locked in a jar, while investing plants it in the soil where it can grow into a tree. The first step is understanding the difference between saving and investing. Saving is about safety. It's keeping your money in a bank account, earning little interest. Investing is about growth. It's taking calculated risks to make your money multiply. Without investing, inflation slowly eats away at your savings. With investing, you give your money the chance to outpace inflation and build real wealth. Now, how do you start with zero experience? Step 1. Set clear goals. Are you investing for retirement, buying a house, or financial freedom? Your goals shape your strategy. Step 2. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars. Even $50 invested consistently can grow significantly over time. Step 3. Choose simple tools. Beginners can start with index funds or ETFs. These are baskets of stocks that spread risk and grow steadily. Step 4. Think long-term. Investing isn't about quick wins, it's about patience. The longer your money stays invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. Here's an example. If you invest $100 every month in a simple index fund with an average return of 8% per year, in 20 years you'll have over $58,000. That's the magic of compounding. Your money earns returns, and those returns earn more returns. But the biggest barrier isn't money, it's fear. Most beginners hesitate because they're afraid of losing. Here's the secret. Risk is part of the game, and the way to manage it is diversification. Don't put all your money in one stock or one idea. Spread it out and let time do the heavy lifting. So, if you've been waiting for the perfect moment to start investing, this is it. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a fortune. You just need to start. Because the earlier you plant your seed, the bigger your tree will grow. Subscribe now, because in the next episode, I'll show you the smartest investment you can ever make, and it's not in stocks or real estate, it's in yourself.